Hey everyone, so today we're going to be reviewing my Woodbridge frameless shower door. So as you guys can see here, this is in the nickel finish, which is pretty cool, nice design. But I did install this about 6 months ago here in my bathroom and absolutely love it. Very modern, very more efficient than some of the other ones out there. And I'll show you guys the functionality and how well it slides. But the cool thing about this is this handle here, as you guys can see, very sturdy. Does have some pretty thick glass here that is made of. So the craftsmanship of this shower door is phenomenal. Starting from the rating right there, from the wheels here, very functional, works very, very well. And I'll go ahead and show you guys how well this glides. As you guys can see, very smooth glide, absolutely love it. Gives your space a very modern aesthetic. So if you're looking for some shower doors that are efficient, cost effective, very nice, give this a try, highly recommend.